Just when you're about to open your favorite application, you might bump into an error message that reads something like this. Fortunately, there are solutions to this problem to help you get back into your apps, and we would show you exactly how to do that. So first up, turn off Windows Defender Firewall. Do it by opening Control Panel, select System and Security, choose Windows Defender from the options, click the Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off option, then check the Turn off Windows Defender Firewall boxes on the private, domain, and public network settings. Finally, press OK to save the settings. Another way is to use the built-in system troubleshooters. To do so, open Settings, click System, choose Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooter, and then run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Now, if the error still persists, fix or replace corrupted system files. Do it by opening Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following command, then press Enter. Now, if it still shows, run the DISM scan by typing in the following command, then press Enter again. Once done, restart your device when this process is completed. And from there, run the following SFC scan by typing in the following command, press Enter, and wait for the scan to be completed. Finally, close the command prompt and restart your device to directly save these changes. Now that's what you can do to fix the following error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.